1 pound fresh fireweed shoots. For the brine is 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, 3/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons sea salt or canning and pickling salt. So I'm going to start with the brine. So we're going to put in 1 tablespoon mustard seed, and then 1 teaspoon peppercorns, and then 3/4 cup of water and 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of sugar, but in this case I'm just going to measure 4 tablespoons, and then 2 tablespoons of sea salt. And you can also use kosher salt. In this case I'm using kosher. And then I will start heating up the brine, and it just needs to come up to a simmer. And as soon as it does that, you turn off the heat, you take it off the heat, and then you pour it into the prepared pint jars that have been filled with the fireweed shoots. And then you let it cool, and once it's been cooled, then you can cover it and place it in your refrigerator, because that's where it's going to stay until it's used up. You should let it pickle for a few days, like 3 or 4 days, and then try it. And if it's still not imparting the pickling into the stock that you tried, then let it sit for another couple of days.